It's my privilege today, on behalf of the city of Leoben, to welcome you here in our wonderful city.
I'm Alan Morgan, the chairman of the EIPC, and I'm talking to you from the EIPC Summer Conference 2019 in Leoben in Austria. So I'd like to talk a bit about AI, artificial intelligence. So GPUs being available has allowed there to be a massive amount of processing power available to do this kind of work. So we have now an AI boom, we really do, and we have an AI consumer boom. I want to show you what you can do just by using gestures. Hopefully it won't drive into you. I don't want to lose any delegates, but sorry Miko, I was a bit close to you there. Oh. I can make it also move away from me. And you can see there are some areas, military is growing, perhaps no surprise. So these are the markets that really Walt sees as growing. We've heard about 5G and we talked a bit about drones today, so there's quite a bit there. I would like to emphasise healthcare as well. This is an area of massive growth. So we're here as a location to visit AT&S, which is not only the leading PCB manufacturer in Europe, but one of the leading players in the world.
Design for excellence basically means a design approach for printed circuit boards or other systems, focusing on the optimization of the system's development.
AT&S is among the top 10 PCB producers worldwide. We have 6 manufacturing plants over the world. We are number 3 in high-end technology worldwide.
Technical program over the last day and a half, covering many aspects of also new technology, application of old technologies, new ideas.
And we talk about automotive, we're talking about crack resistance, and yet you have to have color stability.
It is quite a revolutionary road. Biggest advantage of inkjet is that you print the amount that you need on the desired areas.
Inkjet printed solder mask reduces it to just 2 steps with a lot of ancillary benefits.
You can go up to, 60-75% material reduction by using this approach, by really applying the material where it needs to be.
How big is the awareness for inkjet in the market?
It will take some time to convince the industry about this technology.
So already today we have produced more than 3 million 5G ready radios to the customer worldwide. So 5G is really happening right now.
As I said before, unfortunately you can't see anything here, but on the image.
Well, the technology that I just present in reality is working for already 7 years in a local customer.
We need to make sure that politics is aware of the fact that PCBs are the basis for all electronics in the world. With 5G, PCB has even become more important than ever.
The present 5G is already there, and the future is coming for the 5G requirement as well.
We only use HDI where we need it and see the value of it.
Another aspect of the EIPC is really not only bringing the shop, the PCB makers together, but also the suppliers. That's very key to our business nowadays, since new products we can only develop together with the best technology, with the best suppliers.
And the broad multiple wavelength allows you at 365, 385, 405 nanometers to modulate, to mix the energy levels, which will enable you to really fine-tune the technology of DMD to any type of resist that you are using.
We developed 8 years ago a special treatment on the copper foil, so in order to match very well the electrical property of the dielectric. So this treatment only works with the RO4000 laminate, and we call it low pro.
What is the maximum operating temperature?
1000 degrees. Ceramic oxides are very durable.
This machine is capable of doing 3000 holes per second.
Quite a lot of customers, especially in Asia, I'm tempted to say abuse these solder masks, screen printing materials, also for plugging vias.
Guardian will offer a low-cost alternative that allows European PCB fabricators to participate at the global market.
It's for the surface installation resistance testing, for the qualification. You've got to look at all these elements. And so if we're changing things with regard to a solder mask on a board, it's something that is going to be impacted by this SAR.
In the hospital, the patient goes into the bed and there's that circle which contains an X-ray machine and a detector. That spins around the patient, taking lots of pictures. In the electronics world, the detector and the X-ray machine is kept fixed, and they spit roast the sample.
When I was spending 10 years in China, I used to come to the EIPC shows because I think the networking and the atmosphere and the content of these events has been very good, and that's why I was also very delighted to be as a technical director in EIPC.